guys, it's Jasmine, and today we're making chocolate fruit pizza. Everybody loves chocolate and pizza, so today we're combining those two and making a delicious dessert that is very easy to make and also very fun to make. So let's get started. For the ingredients you will need 1 14-inch pizza dough, a 1/3 cup of Nutella, a 1/4 cup of peanut butter, a 1/4 cup of crushed peanuts, a 1/4 cup of white chocolate chips, a 1/4 cup of milk chocolate chips, some fresh strawberries and blueberries. Starting off, preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit and we're going to shape the pizza crust. So I already have some pizza dough here that I have already made, and I have a video on my channel on how to make pizza dough, so go check that out. And now I'm just going to stretch up our hand. So first I'm going to sprinkle the surface with a good amount of flour. Flip out the dough, and we're going to start pounding the dough. And if you don't know what that means, again, go check out that video on how to make pizza dough. Once I poke holes in the pizza crust, I'm going to bake it off in an oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 16 to 20 minutes or until it is nice and golden brown on top. This pizza crust has been baking in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for around 16 minutes. You can see it is nice and golden brown on top, but the bake time for you may vary because every oven is different. So now here comes the fun part. We're going to spread on the toppings. So starting off, I'm going to spread the Nutella, and the pizza crust is still hot, so it's going to slightly melt the Nutella, which makes it a lot easier to spread. I'm just going to spread enough until it is completely covered the crust. The measurements also may vary for this. I'm using about half a cup for a 14-inch pizza, but if your pizza is smaller, again, the measurements may vary. Once I've spread on the Nutella evenly, I used about a 1/3 cup of Nutella to cover a 14-inch pizza, but if your pizza crust is smaller, you may use less. If you like a sweeter pizza, you could use more. So just adjust the amount of Nutella you use accordingly. Now we're going to sprinkle on the toppings. So starting off, I have some regular milk chocolate chips. You could also use dark chocolate chips if you like. And I'm just going to sprinkle enough to cover the whole thing. I'm not going to sprinkle on too much because we have more toppings to go. Now I'm going to sprinkle on the white chocolate chips. So again, just cover most of the crust. You don't want too much. Now I'm going to sprinkle on the roasted and crushed peanuts. So you don't have to add this if you don't want to, but I like to add some to add an extra crunch to the pizza. I've sprinkled on all of my toppings. You can see it is already looking delicious. And again, the amount of ingredients may vary. Now I'm going to drizzle on some peanut butter. So you can skip this step if you'd like to, but Nutella and peanut butter tastes really good together, and this also adds a really nice touch to the pizza. Now you can see this is at a semi-solid form and not really suitable for drizzling. So I'm going to heat it up in the microwave for around 40 seconds to make it a little runny and melt it down slightly so it's a lot easier to drizzle. And you could also do this in some hot water. I've heated this peanut butter in the microwave for around 40 seconds. You can see it is now really nice and runny, and it's going to be a lot easier to drizzle. And I'm going to load it into a piping bag. And I'm not using a tip, I'm just going to snip off a small corner. You could also use a regular Ziploc bag if you like to. And I'm going to stand it up in a tall cup to make it a lot easier to pour in the peanut butter. And I'm just going to load up the piping bag. I'm going to snip off a small tip and drizzle it over the pizza. I finished drizzling on the peanut butter. It is already looking great. You can eat it the way it is now, but it's going to taste a lot better with the fresh fruit. I have sliced some strawberries, and you can place it on however you like. I'm going to go for a little simple star design. This chocolate fruit pizza is now done. It is looking very pretty and very delicious. This is a very fun dessert to put together that is also very impressive. And again, you could arrange the fruits however you like. And the measurements for all of these ingredients may vary, but depending on the size of the crust and your personal preference. So I hope you could try this out. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time. Bye!